You're scrolling through fitness ads, hoping to finally find a program that gives real results, and you come across RO Body, a membership program claiming to deliver dramatic body transformations, custom workout plans, nutrition guides, and lifetime access to their elite fitness community for one affordable subscription. It sounds like the perfect solution, but you pause and wonder, is RO Body legit and effective? Or is it just another overhyped fitness scam disguised as a miracle plan? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test fitness programs, apps, and digital memberships so you know what's actually worth your time and money. Today, we put RO Body under the microscope to see if it lives up to the hype or if it fails to deliver in 2026. I spent 6 weeks using RO Body as a full member, following workouts, meal plans, tracking progress, and engaging with its community features. I tested it across different goals, fat loss, muscle tone, and general fitness, and compared results with my experience from other programs like standard gym routines, free YouTube plans, and premium fitness apps such as FitTrack Pro and MuscleMate. I also reviewed user feedback online, testimonials, and complaints to get a broader sense of what other members experienced. After extensive real-world use and research, I now know exactly what RO Body delivers and where it falls short. RO Body markets itself as an all-in-one fitness membership, promising customizable workout plans for all body types and goals, personalized nutrition and meal plans, access to a supportive community and expert coaches, fast visible results within 8 to 12 weeks, and lifetime access for a one-time or monthly fee. But are these claims realistic? Does RO Body truly offer personalized plans and real results? Or are those promises just marketing slogans? Step 1. Custom workout plans. RO Body offers a questionnaire about your weight, goals, schedule, and fitness level. The plan generated is generic, mostly standard resistance workouts and cardio. I followed the fat loss plus tone plan 3 times per week for 4 weeks. I saw mild improvements in stamina and endurance, but no major fat loss or muscle definition. The workouts are decent for beginners, but not tailored enough for intermediate or advanced users. Step 2. Nutrition and meal plans. The app suggests calorie intake and macronutrient ratios, but the meal suggestions are repetitive and limited. Oatmeal or eggs for breakfast, mixed green salad for lunch, and chicken and rice over and over. After 2 weeks, I felt bored with meals and had to improvise. For people with dietary restrictions or a varied lifestyle, this becomes impractical quickly. Step 3. Community and coaching support. There is a chat forum and comment sections under workouts. However, real coach feedback is minimal. Most replies come from other members. During the test, I asked for form corrections and personalized advice. I got generic responses at best. The elite community feels more like a social media feed than professional coaching. Step 4. Results and time frame. By week 8, I measured my weight, waist, and performance metrics. Improvements in cardio endurance and a small inch off the waist, but far from the dramatic transformations shown in RO Body's promotional photos. Muscle tone remained modest. Users online report similar results, slow progress, or plateaued after 2 to 3 months. The promise of fast visible results seems exaggerated. Step 5. Value and price versus benefit. The membership cost is mid-range, cheaper than a gym membership but more expensive than free programs. Considering the limited personalization, repetitive meals, and weak coaching, the value per dollar is modest. For beginners wanting structure, maybe adequate. For serious fitness goals, underwhelming. Step 6. Reliability and transparency. RO Body's refund policy is murky. I requested a refund during the first 14 days trial period, but got vague responses and had to jump through hoops. Their success stories are almost entirely before and after photos with no verified data, a common red flag. Combined with generic content and minimal support, the platform lacks transparency. So, is RO Body real or overhyped in 2026? Pros: structured workout plans for beginners or casual users. Easy to follow schedule and simple meal guidance. Affordable compared to gym membership. Access from anywhere, app, phone, or home. Cons: plans are generic, not truly personalized. Meal plans are repetitive and inflexible. Community lacks professional coaching. Results are slow and modest. Refund and support system is weak. Overpromised marketing versus reality. Bottom line, RO Body can work as a starter fitness tool if you want a simple schedule, low cost, and minimal commitment. But if you're serious about fitness, muscle gain, fat loss, or long-term transformation, you'll likely outgrow it quickly. It's less a professional program and more a basic routine dressed up in marketing. Don't count on dramatic results. Think of it as a light stepping stone, not the final solution. If this review helped you understand what RO Body really offers in 2026, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. Share in the comments, do you prefer guided gym routines, free workout plans, or structured memberships like this?